During an appearance on MSNBC Sunday Morning, former prosecutor Glenn Kirshner made it a point to put Judge Neil Gorsuch at the center of the debate over whether the Supreme Court will rule that Donald Trump is eligible to vote in 2024 based on what is being said 14th Amendment to the Constitution regarding insurrection. In a conversation with host Michael Steele, Kirshner read out the previous resolution. Gorsuch wrote that he had joined the country's parliament. "I think the Supreme Court will probably recognize that time is of the essence," he told the executive. "This is an issue that needs to be addressed urgently as we head into the primary elections in various states. McQuaid is that the Supreme Court will inevitably uphold this. Here's something interesting to look at, Michael," he added. "I think we need to keep an eye on whether Justice Neil Gorsuch agrees with Justice Neil Gorsuch on how to resolve this issue. Frankly, my favorite part of the Colorado Supreme Court decision was when they quoted Justice Neil Gorsuch. About 10 years ago, he had to decide exactly this question: whether states can exclude potential candidates from participating in a primary election because the candidate was disqualified under some provision of the Constitution. This is what Justice Neil Gorsuch wrote: "The state's legitimate interest in protecting the integrity and practical functioning of the political process permits the state to exclude from the ballot candidates who are constitutionally barred from holding office," Kirshner read, before adding, "So, Judge Gorsuch is already 90% of the way there, having already ruled that the states have these powers. Let's see if Judge Gorsuch agrees with what he said 10 years ago."